Okay. You are welcome to this special class. My name is Jeremiah, and this class is titled Jeremiah Maths Clinic to make maths easy for you. Today's topic is change of subject formula. Change of subject formula. And from my findings, I found out that a lot of students still don't know how to change formula. So that's still don't know how to make subject formula. So that's why I did this video. So if you look at the board, you will see that this expression is written D is equal to L, open bracket, M over K plus U square over 25. What I want you to know is that when you are changing subject formula, when you are making subject of formula, you perform opposite operations. For example, if the addition was carried out before, to be able to make a proper subject formula, you have to subtract. If division is carried out, you have to multiply. If square root is being carried out, you have to what? You have to perform the opposite of the operation. So the opposite of addition is what? Subtraction. The opposite of multiplication is division. The opposite of square is square root. So this you might not understand until I put it into action. So to express the question, say we should express u. We should express u, or we should make u the subject formula. Make u the subject formula. So we have to make this u the subject formula. So what are they saying? This expression is given as D is equal to L, open bracket, M over K plus U square over 25, close brackets. Now, this expression originally is given as D. D is expressed in terms of L, M, K, and U. D is expressed in terms of L, M, K, and U. So now they want us to express U in terms of M, K, and D. So U will be on the left-hand side, and it will be equal to the expression that should carry D, L, M, and K. So how do we go about it? As you can see the expression, I'm trying to make U the subject of the formula. But what I see surrounding U is that the first thing I see is that I see that U has a square. Then I see that it is being divided by 25. Then I see that it is being added to M over K. Then I see that it's being multiplied by L. That's what I've seen. I come again, I said I see that U is squared. And I see that it is divided by 25. And then I see that it is added to M over K. And I see that it is multiplied. This expression is in the bracket is multiplied by L. So I have to perform from backwards to be able to make U to stand alone. The essence is to make U stand alone. The essence is to make U stand alone. So how do I go? The first thing I want to do, I said L is multiplying everything in the brackets. So I have to remove L from here. And to do that, I have to divide both sides by L. So if I divide both sides by L, divide both sides by L, because L is multiplying the expression, so I'm performing the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So this expression will be like this. D over L is equal to L over L, open bracket, M over K plus U square over what? 25, close what? Brackets. So this L will cancel L. So this expression will reduce to D over L is equal to M over K plus U square over 25. So I've removed L from here now, and it has gone to the left hand side. So now the next thing I want to do that I'm seeing, I can see that M over K is being added to this expression U square over 25. So I need to remove this M over K because I'm trying to make U to stand alone. I'm trying to make U the subject of the formula. So I saw that M over K is being added to what? To U square over 25. So I have to minus from both sides of the equality M over K. So I'll perform my operation as D over L minus m over k is equal to m over k plus u square over 25 minus m over k. So m over k minus m over k will be 0. So this expression will now further reduce to d over L minus m over k is equal to u square over 25 is equal to u square over 25. So you can see that gradually my u is about to stand alone. So the what next can I see here? What next can I do? I can see that u is being divided by what? 25. So I have to perform the opposite of division to remove the 25 there. And to perform the opposite of division, I have to multiply both sides by what? 25. So it means that I'll say 25 times d over L minus m over k is equal to u square over 25 times 25. So you observe that I multiply both sides by 25, both sides of the equality by 25. So if I'm since I multiply this 25 here 1, 25 here 1, they will cancel out. This expression will reduce to 25 brackets d over L minus m over k is equal to u square. Is equal to u square. Is equal to u square. So this expression can be written as this: u square is equal to 25 open bracket d over L minus m over. So if this expression on the left hand side of the equality is equal to u square, it means that u square is also equal to this expression on the left hand side. It doesn't matter where they are. So I can as well carry this u square to the left hand side of the equality and bring this expression to the right hand side of the equality. So but I'm told to look for what? U, to make u the subject of our, not u square. So I have to perform the opposite sign of square, the opposite operation for square, and that is what? To square root both sides. So to square root both sides, so square root, taking square root of both sides, taking square root of both sides. So we have that it will be like this: the square root of u square is equal to 20 the square root of 25 open brackets d over L minus m over k close brackets. So the square root sign will cancel the square sign, so u will be left. So our u will be equal to the square root of 25 open brackets d over L minus m over k, minus m over what? K. So this is, we've make u the subject of the what? Formula. We've make you the subject of the formula. So one thing I want you to observe in the course of this video is that what I do to the left hand side, I must do to the right hand side. What I do to the left hand side of the equality, I must do to the right hand side of the equality. That's what I want you to observe. So I'll make u square, I'll make u the subject of the formula. I've expressed u in terms of what? D, L, and M and K. So that is the idea of subject formula. I will solve other problems regarding this subject formula for you to get used to it in other lessons. This is just lesson 1 of it. So if you find this video useful, I advise you that you click the subscription button. Thank you very much.